YouTube, man. The first drive I'ma have with the mid mufflers cut. Give y'all boys a start. It's not a cold start, but it ain't a cold start, y'all, but go ahead and hit it for y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm thinking about getting a straight pipe now. It was, if y'all go watch the videos when I got it cut, it was crazy loud, but I don't know if I just got used to it or what. But man, I'm back used to it, gang. I don't know, I might be tweaking. I gotta see. It's way louder than what it was before though, for sure. But man, tell me what y'all think about it, man. I'm driving it with it. I'm gonna be using the paddles too. But I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be way louder than what it is. But man, I thought it was gonna be way louder than what it is, and it ain't. So that's why I'm thinking about going straight pipe for real. It sound, I ain't gonna lie, it sound crazy though. But in my head, I'm thinking like, man, if this how the mid muffler sound, how the straight pipe gonna sound? You feel me? I just don't want the car being like overly loud. That's the only thing I'm worried about if I go straight pipe. My cousin said like when he straight piped his car was overly loud. He couldn't really hear his music. I don't want my junk being that loud now, gang. But I got a Jeep, like these come so quiet, I don't think the straight pipe would be that bad. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I think I got my mind made. I'm straight piping it. I'm a straight pipe mines. Cause this sound like my scat for real. I ain't gonna lie. I know y'all just hear it though, man. It sound good. I'm not saying it's quiet or nothing. It sound real good. But I'm just thinking like, gang, how would the straight pipe sound on this? Because I noticed once I have it, and like once I had a car running for a little bit, then I started up probably like 30 minutes later. The start up, it'll be quiet again, bro. Like when you watch that video and bro started, when I first got it cut, he started it was growling, he hit it, sounded crazy. Bro, when I had did it, like the next day, and I've been driving it a little bit, man, it sounded just, I ain't gonna say it sounded stock, but it sounded like my stock scat though. It had a little growl to it, but like, man, I want my junk to just be barking, you know? Like when I started, you gotta hear it, gang. Even in idle, I want my car to be barking a little bit in idle. Now if the straight pipe if the straight pipe just sounds too crazy, I'm gonna get a whole exhaust system done. I've been looking at the Corsa and the Borla, so I'm gonna get a whole little exhaust system done. Put it back in manual. I'm still learning these pedals, man, so I feel like I got it though. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I got it. Yeah, you feel me? I know y'all see how smooth I am with it. When you using the paddles, bro, the car is way more aggressive. One more little pull, see. Yeah. Another thing I like about the pedals, you ain't gotta worry your brake down too much, because you could just downshift and it'll slow your car down. You ain't just gotta press on your brakes, man. So I'm gonna end up mastering these paddle shifts, gang. and I'm gonna give y'all a little tutorial on that too. But man, right now we're gonna go ahead and end the video off on that note, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you new. Follow me on all social medias, Instagram, TikTok, Gbo the Don, and I'm out, gang.